Alright, welcome back to FreeCodeCamp, and this is the JavaScript algorithms and data structures, and they added a new course called Learn Introductory JavaScript by building a pyramid generator. So in this, we're gonna learn how array, strings, functions, loops, and if-else statements work. So we can start the project, and it says for step one, declare a character variable in your code. So we're gonna use let character. Make sure I spell that right. And with the semicolon, just like this. Now step two, it says your character variable currently does not have a value. You could assign it by using the assignment operator equal. So initialize the character variable by assigning it to the value hello, string hello. So we could remove the semicolon and do equal hello, just like this. Now, step three, it says, so we could represent a string with a single quote or double quote. So now it says change your hello to using a single quote. So instead of double quotes, we're gonna have a single, just like this. Now step four, it says the console log. It prints the console of the browser. So what we do is print the value of character variable to the console, then click console button to view the console. So then we could do console.log character, just like this, and then click the console on the top right, which will be right here. So now step five, it says when a variable is declared with let, you can reassign it. So a const could only be assigned once. So after the console log, it says assign the value world to your character variable. So now we could do character equals to world. And we do not need the let. Step 6, it says now log character variable to the console again, and we should see hello and then the string world in the console. So console.log character, and we should see hello world. Now step 7, it says when variable names are more than one word, then we could use camel casing, just like over here, to make it easier to read. So now we're going to use a camel case to declare a new second character variable. So over here we could do let second character with the semicolon. Now step 8, it says when you declare a variable without initializing it, it's considered uninitialized. So currently your second character variable is uninitialized. So add a console log to see the value of your second character variable is. So now we could do a console.log of second character, just like this. And it is undefined. So just like we got, the default value of an uninitialized variable is undefined. So now assign the string test to your second character variable. So now we could do right above the console log, because code does read top to bottom. So we're gonna do second character is equal to test strings. And we do not need the let because we already initialized it over here. So we do see the test console log. So now step 10, it says you could also assign the value of a variable to another variable. For example, let first 1, let first equal 2. So now we do second equals to first. And second will become 1 over here in this case. So to see this in action, change our second character assignment from test to our character variable. So we could do second character is equal to character. And over here, I think we spelled character wrong. We have not, but so we forgot the semicolon. Make sure we have the semicolon. So now we are ready to declare our next variable. Remove both console log statements. So we're going to remove the console log statements. And also remove the second character variable, but leave the character initialized unchanged. So remove all of this. Also remove our second character variable. So we're going to remove this and this. But leave the character initialized unchanged. So we can remove this as well and just leave this. So now step 12, it says use let to declare a count variable, assign it to a number 8. When using this number variable value, you do not use quotes. So for numbers, we could do const variable is equal to 8 without the string. And this represents a number. Oh, forgot let. So instead of const, it should be let. Oh, let count is equal to 8. Now step 13, with number data type, you could perform mathematical operations like addition. So try printing count plus 1 to the console. So under the let count equal to 8, we can do console dot log count plus 1. And that should give us 9. We can also perform subtraction, multiplication, division. So we could try divided by, so divided by 2, which should give us 4, just like this. Alright, so now for step 14, it says to just remove the console log, like this. Now step 15, it says, so we declare a row of variables and assign it to an empty ring or array, just like up here. So we could do let array equal to brackets, which represents just array. Oh, let rows equal to an empty array. So now when the array holds values or elements, these values are separated by commas, just like over here. So now we're going to change our rows declaration to an array with string Naomi, Quincy, and Camperchan. So inside here we could add Naomi, comma, Quincy, comma, camper Chan. Make sure it's in strings and separated by commas. So camper Chan, just like this. So now we can access these values inside arrays using the index of the value. So the starting index is usually 0 for the first variable, and then 1 as 2, and then 3 as the fourth. So we could access using bracket notation such as array 0, which will be the first element, Naomi in this case. So we could test that out by doing a console log, console.log, rows 0, just like this. And this should be Naomi, again the first index, just like over here.